Hey there! Today I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to make money using AI. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to add a new revenue stream or just curious about the potential of AI, this video is for you. First up, let's talk about understanding the basics. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started with AI. There are plenty of user-friendly tools out there that can help you leverage AI without any coding knowledge. Platforms like OpenAI's GPT-4, for example, offer accessible interfaces to powerful AI models. Next, identify a problem that AI can solve. This is key. Look around your industry. What are the common pain points? Can AI help streamline a process, improve customer service, or even predict trends? Once you pinpoint a problem, you can start developing a solution. Now it's time to choose your AI tool. Depending on your needs, there are various AI tools available. For instance, if you're looking to enhance customer service, AI chatbots like those from Dialogflow could be a game changer. If content creation is your focus, tools like Jasper or Copy.ai might be more suitable. Once you've selected your tool, it's time to integrate it into your business. Start small. Implement the AI in a specific area and monitor its performance. Gather data, analyze results, and iterate. This will help you fine-tune the AI's effectiveness and ensure it delivers real value. Monetizing AI can take several forms. You can sell AI-powered products or services, offer AI consulting, or even create an AI-driven SaaS, software as a service. Think about what aligns best with your business model and target audience. Don't forget to market your AI solution. Showcase how it solves a specific problem, and use testimonials or case studies to build credibility. Leverage social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach a wider audience. Lastly, always stay updated. AI is a rapidly evolving field. Keep an eye on the latest trends, tools, and best practices. Join AI communities, attend webinars, and never stop learning. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money with AI. Remember, the key is to start small, solve real problems, and continuously improve. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on leveraging technology in your business. See you next time.